Court on Tuesday said that there is no statutory exemption in India to journalists from disclosing their sources to investigating agencies, especially when such disclosure is necessary for aiding and assisting in the investigation of a criminal case. Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Anjani Mahajan at Patiala House Court made the observation while rejecting a closure report filed by the CBI, which was tasked with investigating how certain newspapers and news channels had published reports relating to a disproportionate assets case against late Mulayam Singh Yadav and his family members on February 9, 2009, a day prior to the scheduled date of hearing in the Supreme Court. In this case, the Supreme Court had directed the CBI to conduct a preliminary inquiry into the assets acquired by Singh and his family members following a writ petition filed by lawyer Vishwanath Chaturvedi in 2005. A preliminary inquiry was registered on March 5, 2007. A status report based on evidence collected was also placed in a sealed cover before the Supreme Court. While proceedings were pending for final adjudication before the Supreme Court, a day before the scheduled hearing, the Times of India published a news article captioned, "CBI may admit Mulayam was framed." Following this, a complaint was filed by the CBI stating that unknown persons during the year 2008 to 2009 entered into criminal conspiracy with the intent to commit forgery for the purpose of harming the reputation of the CBI. The closure report filed by the CBI stated that it could not be established as to who forged the documents in question, as the journalists did not disclose their source. It was stated that there was no sufficient material or evidence to prove the offence of criminal conspiracy. A protest petition was also filed by Vishwanath Chaturvedi, who was the petitioner before the Supreme Court, contending that if the final report of CBI is accepted, then the real culprits will go scot-free even though they have committed serious offences. However, the protest application was dismissed by the court, observing that Chaturvedi is a rank outsider and has no locus to file it. The court observed on Tuesday that a bare perusal of the untraced report shows that the CBI has not chosen to take the investigation to its logical conclusion, and I quote from the order here, "Merely because the concerned journalists denied to reveal their respective sources, as stated in the final report, the investigating agency should not have put a halt to the entire investigation. There is no statutory exemption in India to journalists from disclosing their sources to investigating agencies, more so where such disclosure is necessary for the purpose of aiding and assisting in investigation of a criminal case." The court added that the investigating agency can always bring to the notice of concerned journalists the requirement of disclosure of the source being essential and vital to the investigating proceedings. It also observed that an investigating agency is fully equipped under the IPC and the CRPC to require public persons to mandatorily join an investigation where it is of the opinion that such public persons are privy to facts or circumstances relating to the case which is under probe. Accordingly, the court rejected the closure report and directed the CBI to carry out further investigation in the matter and clarified that the CBI shall be at liberty to carry out further investigation on any other aspects as it deems fit. For more information on this ruling, you can refer to a detailed report, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.